chapter in safety, Active Brake Assist 5. Active Brake Assist 5 is an enhancement of the proven Active Brake Assist 4 and the world's first emergency braking system in transport traffic that can react with automated emergency braking within system limits to the risk of a collision with moving pedestrians. For almost 20 years now, our experience has been incorporated in the development and testing of safety systems with radar technology. For the first time, Active Brake Assist 5 uses a sensor fusion of radar and high-performance camera. To this end, the vehicle's own data are used from the start of the journey, and the traffic situation in front of the vehicle is monitored to record the distances to vehicles ahead and moving pedestrians, as well as their speeds and positions. If there's a risk of collision, the system is able to initiate automated emergency braking within system limits, not only for stationary and moving obstacles, but also for moving pedestrians. If Active Brake Assist 5 detects a risk of collision ahead of the vehicle with moving pedestrians crossing the road, approaching the vehicle, or in the vehicle's lane, a two-stage warning and braking concept is initiated. First of all, the system gives a visual and audible warning and initiates partial braking. If the driver doesn't react, Active Brake Assist 5 triggers automated emergency braking and activates the hazard warning lights. Pedestrian detection remains active in a speed range of up to a maximum of 50 km/h within the system's limits. The system also reacts to moving and stationary vehicles at speeds of over 80 km/h. In this way, Active Brake Assist 5 can assist the driver in critical situations within the system's limits and prevent or reduce the severity of accidents. Active Brake Assist 5. Mercedes-Benz. Trucks you can trust.